Guys, welcome to my this video, and today in this JavaScript tutorial I'll show you what is replace, match and search method. But before starting this video, I want to show you one live example what features you can implement using those three methods. So here I have created one new file, and here I have written two sentences. Now here in this file, if I press Ctrl A, so here one search field is open, and here I can search anything. So first if I type R, so here this is searching, right? R word is there within those two sentences or not. So that features you can implement using search method. Now if it match R words, so it is showing the selection. So here two times R words are there, so two selection is there. Okay, so you can use match functionality for creating these features. Now here if I click this drop down arrow, and now here it open another field. Now here if I type suppose any random value, okay, now here if I click this button, so R words with replaced by this word. Okay, so here that is replace method, so you can use this functionality for that features. So here I will show you now the syntax and how you can use. So guys, here I have opened index.html file, and now I will show you what is the syntax and how you can use. So here I have added one string value that I stored inside this str variable. Now I printed this str variable. So we all know if I print like this, so I will get the entire sentence. Now here I have used this replace method. Okay, and the syntax, this is the syntax of replace method: string, then method name, then substr, then new substr. Okay, so here string means for me this variable, because in this variable I have stored my string value. So here I have written str, then the method name replace, so I have written the same. Then substr means which what I want to replace, so I want to replace this creative, so I have written. And the new substr means what is the new word that you want to replace, so I have written this one. So here after that I stored in this variable, and now I console. So first in this console I will get the entire value, means the output will be like hello creative developer. And after using this str method, here I will get hello creative is replaced by Aniruddha. So here hello Aniruddha developer. So that will be the output. So let's say in the browser we are getting the expected output or not. So if I open, see the first it is coming from this console. Okay, so hello creative developer, and the second one coming from the replace method, hello Aniruddha developer. Okay, so I hope guys it is clear, and the next one I will show you what is match method. And guys, here now I added the syntax of match method. So the syntax is string dot match and the word, okay, which you want to check it is matching or not. So string means for me this one str variable, so I have written the same. And then the method name dot match, and this word I want to check it is matching in this sentence or not, so I have written that word, and I stored in this variable, and I console. Now I will go to the browser and I will check what will be the output. So here you can see I'm getting one array. So what are the values in this array I'm getting? So in the 0 index I'm getting the name which I checked, this one, so I got this one. After that the index, the position of this word. Position means if I start to count from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space is 1 count, and 6. So this creative word starting from position 6, so that I'm getting here index 6, and the input means the entire sentence. Okay, means this one. So this is the match method. Now I will show you the search method. So now I have added the syntax of search method. Here the method is string, then method name, then the word substring. Okay, so here for me string is this one, this variable, so I have written. The method name is search, I have written that. And after that the word which I want to check, so that word, okay, creative, I have written this one. So now search method what gives the output, it just return the position. So here you can see it is returning the position 6, because from here if you start to count, so you will find this creative starting from 6th position. Now here suppose I want to search anything which is not in this sentence, like create tips. Okay, this is not in this sentence. So what I will get in the output? So let's see. In the output, I will get -1. -1 means when it won't find anything, then it returns the -1. Now here, suppose creative word is 2 times, here and here. Then what will be the output? Output will be the only first one. Let's see, 6 only. So search method gives the first words first position. Hope guys it is clear, and if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, and also you can subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript, React, Angular, Node.js.